Hello there. Many of you are troubled by the marks that acne leaves behind. These scars can be a source of frustration and insecurity for many. You've battled the breakouts, celebrated the clear skin, but then you notice them, the little dips, discolored patches, uneven texture. These scars can vary in appearance and severity, making each person's experience unique. These are acne scars, the unwelcome souvenirs from past blemishes. They serve as a constant reminder of the struggles you've faced with your skin. The big question is, can these reminders of past skin troubles ever truly disappear? It's a question that weighs heavily on many minds. Acne scars aren't just skin deep, they can affect confidence and how we feel about ourselves. The emotional impact can be just as significant as the physical one. We live in a world where smooth, flawless skin is often portrayed as the ideal. This societal pressure can make dealing with acne scars even more challenging. So, when I'm asked if collagen can be the magic wand for these scars, I understand the hope behind that query. People are always looking for solutions that can bring back their confidence. Let's delve into what acne scars are, how they form, and the role collagen might play in healing them. Understanding the science behind it can help manage expectations and guide us towards effective treatments. To understand how we might treat acne scars, we first need to understand what they are and how they form. Acne scars are the result of the skin's healing process after an acne lesion has damaged the skin. Think of an acne lesion, a pimple, a cyst, as a small wound on your skin. This wound triggers the body's natural healing response. When a pore becomes clogged with oil, dead skin cells, and bacteria, it can become inflamed. This inflammation is the body's way of fighting off the infection. Sometimes this healing process goes smoothly, and the blemish disappears without a trace. The skin regenerates itself, leaving no visible mark. However, with more severe or deeper acne, the healing process doesn't quite restore the skin to its original state. The damage can be more extensive. If the inflammation is intense or prolonged, it can damage the underlying skin tissue, including the collagen fibers. Collagen is crucial for skin structure and elasticity. When the body produces too little collagen during the healing process, you might end up with depressed or atrophic scars. These scars appear as small indentations in the skin. Conversely, if the body produces too much collagen, you can develop raised or hypertrophic scars. These scars are elevated above the skin's surface. Picking, squeezing, or popping pimples can also increase inflammation and trauma to the skin, raising the risk of scarring. It's best to avoid these actions to prevent further damage. Now let's talk about collagen. Collagen is the most abundant protein in our bodies, a primary building block for your skin, bones, muscles, tendons, and ligaments. It's what keeps your skin looking firm, plump, and youthful. There are many different types of collagen in the body, but a few are particularly important for skin health. Type 1 collagen is the most prevalent, making up about 90% of your body's collagen. As we age, our natural collagen production begins to decline, starting as early as our 20s. External factors like excessive sun exposure, smoking, and high sugar consumption can also accelerate the breakdown of existing collagen. Can introducing more collagen or stimulating its production help to heal acne scars? Scars are permanent changes in the skin's architecture. A complete cure is often very difficult to achieve, especially for older or deeper scars. However, significant improvement in the appearance of acne scars is possible, and collagen plays a central role in many treatments. Procedures like microneedling, laser resurfacing, and chemical peels create controlled micro-injuries to the skin, triggering the body's natural wound healing response. Oral collagen supplements provide the body with amino acids needed for collagen synthesis. Scientific studies on collagen for scar healing often focus on these collagen-stimulating procedures, demonstrating measurable improvements in scar depth and texture over time. When we talk about repairing skin and improving the appearance of acne scars, not all collagen is created equal. Collagen is a protein that acts as a building block for our skin, providing structure and strength. There are several types of collagen, but two types are particularly important in the context of scar repair. Type 1 collagen is the superstar when it comes to skin structure. It is the most abundant collagen in our skin and is essential for maintaining skin's firmness and elasticity. It forms the dense fibers that give skin its strength and resilience. Without sufficient type 1 collagen, our skin would be more prone to sagging and wrinkles. Type 3 collagen also plays a crucial part, especially in the early phases of wound healing. This type of collagen is more prevalent in younger skin and helps to kickstart the repair process. In scar tissue, sometimes the balance between type 1 and type 3 collagen can be altered. This imbalance can lead to the formation of raised or indented scars, which can be aesthetically unpleasing. Effective scar revision aims to promote a healthier ratio and organization of these collagen types. By restoring this balance, treatments can help to smooth out the skin and reduce the visibility of scars. Treatments like microneedling or fractional laser therapy stimulate fibroblasts to produce both type 3 and type 1 collagen. These procedures create micro-injuries in the skin, triggering a natural healing response. This process of collagen remodeling gradually improves the texture and depth of acne scars. Over time, with consistent treatment, the skin can regain a smoother, more even appearance, making scars less noticeable. How long will it take to see results? The process of neocollagenesis. The formation of new collagen and collagen remodeling is gradual. After a collagen-stimulating treatment, you might see some initial improvement due to temporary swelling and inflammation. The real lasting changes from new collagen production usually start to become noticeable around 4 to 6 weeks after a treatment session. Collagen remodeling can continue for 6 months or even longer after a treatment. Most effective scar revision protocols involve a series of treatments. The timeline for seeing significant improvement can stretch from 3 months to a year. Maintaining a consistent skincare routine and protecting your skin from the sun are all part of this long-term journey to healthier-looking skin. Beyond Collagen, a holistic view on scar management. A truly effective approach to acne scar management is frequently multifaceted. Relying solely on one method might not yield comprehensive results. Some individuals might benefit from subcision, a minor surgical procedure. Dermal fillers can offer a more immediate, albeit temporary, solution for certain types of depressed scars. Chemical peels can help with superficial scarring and improve overall skin texture and tone. Your home skincare routine plays a vital supporting role. Ultimately, the quest to reduce acne scars is best navigated with the guidance of a qualified dermatologist.